this video, we are going to explain how you can view your Zendesk quote unquote API limits. Now, the thing about this is that Zendesk doesn't really provide a live consumption meter within the standard admin center interface for real time tracking. So, the easiest way to do so is via the view limits by plan or subscription option. So, how do we do this? All we need to do is go to the rate limits that Zendesk provides through their developer option here. And as you can see here, so the developer.zendesk.com. So you're going to see the API references here. So this is pretty much a breakdown. As you can see here, it's going to be through team growth, right? Team growth, professional, enterprise, and enterprise plus. These are the subscription options or plan options for Zendesk, and you can just see the breakdown over here. So support and help center API requests per minute. So team is 200, growth 400, professional 400, enterprise 700, and enterprise plus is 2500. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.